Do you want to make money with TikTok? Hi, my name is Sebastian and I'm showing you how to make money on TikTok in 3 simple steps. To do so, we use a simple business model. We are going to promote other people's product for a part of the sale, for our commission. Let's dive in and go to step number 1. The first step is we need a product that we can promote. To prove that the business model is legit, I choose this for an example, Amazon. If you want to earn a part of the sale on Amazon, you have to become an Amazon associate. Just scroll down on the page and click on Become an Affiliate. Sign up and enter your details. You have to give them your website. Don't worry about your website. I'll show you this in the next step. Make sure you find a product in your niche, a product you like to talk about, a product that suits your TikTok channel. For example, if you have a yoga channel, choose a yoga mat or yoga books. Just make sure you like to talk about the product or the products you're going to promote, and it's easy for you to make content about this. Stay till the end and I'll show you as a bonus an example channel who is successful promoting affiliate products from Amazon. Another site where we can find products is ClickBank. ClickBank has a lot of products for affiliates to promote. Just sign up. It's free to join, like the Amazon affiliate program. It's completely free. And if you have signed up, go to the ClickBank marketplace. And for example, you see that they have over 3,000 products where you can be an affiliate. Always rank by gravity. Gravity means how many people are successful promoting a product. This over here has over 600 successful affiliates, and you can earn a lot of money with one sale. In our example, we take the custom keto diet. If you want to promote that product, just click on promote, enter your account nickname and generate a hop link. If someone clicks on that link and buys the product, your affiliate partner will know that you have referred the sale and you get the commission. I just took the custom keto diet as an example, but if you have another niche or you want to promote other products, there are a lot of categories over here in health and fitness, home and garden, gaming, dating advice, sports, travel. Just take one you like and what fits to your channel. Before we go to the next step, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. This will cost you nothing and it will help me a lot. Step number 2, your website. You need your own website or a page where you can put in your links, like beacons. Social media platforms don't allow direct linking and your channel can get banned. So we use a bridge page. In our example, we take beacons. Just get started and you can build such a link site like here. Name, picture, maybe a video, and you can put in a lot of links like in this example. This could all be affiliate links for different products you promote. Don't use too much, because if your customer is overwhelmed, he won't buy. Sign up. The basic version is free and you don't need a paid version. The pro way to do it is with a funnel. I have here the Keto Funnel. I'll show you how it works. Come over here. A little bit of text, picture, click here to learn more, enter email, name and email, and if they click yes, show me more, that's my affiliate link to this page. This is the sales page, and if they get the custom keto diet, I get the part of the sale. With this way, we also collect the email address and we can always send our potential customers email and remind them of our offer, and can send them back to the sales page, give them more value. This is the better way. For an email autoresponder, I use Aweber. It's free for the first 500 emails, and ClickFunnels has a 14-day free trial if you want to try it. It's an easy to use drag and drop funnel builder. If you want a new element, add an element, new text line over here, just insert it, rewrite it. You can move, I can move everything where I want to do it. Just save it, and now this is the page. If you want to try it yourself, ClickFunnels has a 14-day free trial. I put the link down in the description. Same is for Aweber. It's free for your first 500 email address, and it's perfect to start. If you don't want to start from zero with your funnel, I share with you this Keto Funnel. Just go for the 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels and then enter this URL and you will get my funnel for free. Step number 3, your TikTok account. Create TikTok account, create a new one, take yours and start to grow your account. Make videos. The best way to grow is with 4 to 6 videos every day. Make them interesting. Hook your viewer in the first 3 seconds. If you have over 1000 followers, you can put in a clickable link. Put in a description that is compelling, so your followers will click on this link. If you want to learn how to grow on TikTok, check out the channel of Robert Benjamin. He is really good. Now we go to the example channel. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions, just write a comment. I will answer them as soon as I can. This is the example channel. It's Catban. She has over 5 million followers. Her niche is cleaning organization. As you see here, it's all about cleaning, organizing stuff, and she gets a lot of views. She has her beacons page here, and here you see she is an Amazon associate. She has an Amazon store. She promotes a lot of other products which you can buy over here. If you like this business model and want to learn affiliate marketing the right way, check out the first link in the description. It will lead you to a 15-day challenge where you learn the basics of an online business step by step. It's really easy to follow and it's a great challenge. I did it myself, and see you in the next video.